So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can attach external microphones to this Canon DSLR. Now here you see is basically a Canon 200D, and I want to show you on how you can attach microphones onto this DSLR. Now first things first, I will just show you like the controls here. So I need to turn the camera on, obviously. So I need to turn the dialer here on, and you will see the guided user interface. Now what happens is like if I click on menu, this will show me the settings, but this is for the picture mode. Now, quite obviously, when you are recording videos, you want to like have these settings for the video mode. So for that, I need to actually take the dialer onto the video. And this now you can see is basically the viewfinder which you see. The live screen here is basically showing me the video of like what lies in front of me. But anyways, if I go to the menu options now the settings which you see here will be for the video file. So if I click on OK here, you will see different kind of settings which I see, and these are all for the videos. Now quite obviously the recording size, the digital zoom and all other things are there, but I am more or less interested in this sound recording. Now if at all I leave it as it is, then this would be picking up sound from the native microphones, that is the microphones which are built. And you can see there's a lot of noise here because other than the sound levels, like even without me speaking, there's basically noise being captured or sound being captured along with background noise. So how do I do like the settings and how do I attach external microphones to prevent this from happening? So let's look at the steps. Now all DSLRs will have, like depending upon the model, like this microphone inlet. And here you can see, I will just zoom in so that you can see very clearly. There is this mic inlet that you see. Now I will be using this Rhodes microphone. You may be having a different one. I mean, this is not actually a Rhodes, it's a Boya, sorry. So I put it in this 3.5mm jack. So there you go. I have put it. And now what I need to do is I need to select manual mode. Now what this does is basically it will start recording with the lapel microphone. But even then, is it enough what I'm doing? Absolutely no. This here is the audio levels. So for people, what they have found is they can take it somewhere to like middle and they still have great results. For me, somewhere around 3/4 is quite good. So I click on OK as far as that is concerned. Very important setting that I want you all to do is turn on the attenuator. So this is presently disabled. I want you to enable this and you can see the difference. As I speak, the voice gets picked from the microphone. Now what happens is, say I go to the video thing, you will see that the device microphone is being turned off and it's recording using this microphone which I have now put. So this is the symbol for that. So in case now I start recording, so this is my recording. So I'm basically now recording. So you can see 3 seconds, 4 seconds, test, test, test. I turn it off and I now play this. So I will just play this. So hopefully you get the picture. So like we just showed you like how you would be recording with the external microphone. You can obviously play around, but I will just let you know about the settings once more. So the device initially was turned off. So I turned it on, and not only did I turn it on, I also took it to the shooting video mode. Once I do that, I went to the menu. Inside the menu, there are quite few many different options. Now this is a touchscreen display, but you may even manually you have to do the same thing. So I go to the shooting settings and admire the different settings. I go to sound recording, which was turned on to auto. I make it manual. And very importantly, I go and enable the attenuator. And then again, I go back and the recording levels, you may select the one which works for you. Really, I mean, it's totally your choice. So this black is basically your settings. You don't want to capture it at a lower level. You want to capture it at a very high level. And then you set, and you can see like these are the settings. So now what happens is, say I want to go ahead and I want to record something. So I can click on the record button. What happens is now the external microphone is being picked up. So hopefully this all makes sense, and like you will be able to now attach external microphones onto your Canon DSLR. Now you may be having maybe a microphone which can be mounted onto the hot shoe and stuff like that, but basically this step would remain the same, wherein you put the microphone 3.5 mm jack onto the port and then like record it, and for recording it use the settings like what I've described. So if all this helps, please do subscribe to our channel, please do like our work, please click on the bell icon for notifications, and please do let us know whether you found this helpful or not. Keep making tutorials like this. Any other thing that you want us to do, please do let us know in the comment section. Please do share this with your friends. Really a privilege, a honor to share this work for you. Thank you so much.